What's up, my dudes? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today, it's a totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. That's right, totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Let's go. So, 2 minutes on the clock right here, right now. We are going to talk about this week's totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. And that is an impact screwdriver. So these things are really awesome. They can be purchased for a pretty dang affordable price, and they will get you out of tough situations that you don't want to get into. How does it work? Well, you either twist it one way, which would be like this, is gonna be twisting it counterclockwise, or this way is gonna be turning it clockwise, so that would be driving it on. You basically hit it with a hammer in the back, bada bang, bada boom, and it breaks the bolt loose. It's freaking awesome. If you put it counterclockwise, it'll break the bolt loose. So, how does that look? How does that work? Let's see. Let's grab a hammer. You take a BFH, and really all you have to do is you just whack this thing, boom, right on the back. That force from the hammer will actually drive that just a bit, just to crack it loose. So you can actually use this on a lot of different circumstances. Like I was saying, you can use this, you can put a socket, a 3/8, you can put a 1/2 inch on here. You know, it comes with different bits that you may want to use, usually some number 3s, Phillips or bigger, you know, something like that. You can also put some flatheads in there as well. This works great for like door jams, door hardware, all that kind of stuff. For example, a truck bed, if you have a Torx truck bed and you're trying to take those pieces off because you need to put on a camper shell or something like that, you pretty much got to use one of these. If you don't, you're going to strip your bolts out and you're going to be screwed. So yeah, pick up one of these bad boys. That's my totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. I don't know if I did that one under 2 minutes, not really totally sure, but we're totally sure that it's a totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. So if you guys like these episodes, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and hit that little bell down there if you haven't, because you should be subscribed so you can know about all the good stuff, okay? Okay. All right, later guys, wrench on.